Hello, my name is Julia James, and I'm a career clarity coach. What that means is that I help you get clear on the career that is right for you. And today, I'm talking about how to set powerful intentions. And that is really, really key on your journey to career clarity because it is all about what you truly want to manifest, what you want to create for you. The career that really energizes and inspires you is absolutely in line with who you are. Creating intentions and setting intentions is actually really, really important on this journey. And so today I'm talking a little bit about how to do that. An intention doesn't arise from your head. It arises from your heart and your core, the core of your being. The intention is really a way of being, a way of like how you're approaching a task, how you're approaching your day, how you're approaching any challenge that will come in your way. And so it's really a way of being that we're looking for. Setting the intention, you need to drop into a meditative state, and it doesn't need to take long. And I will actually, I share that on my blog. So you can actually go to my blog and get the way of like how to actually get into that meditative state and how to connect with your intention. You can get that there. So you do that, and then let the intention arise from within you, and it will. And sometimes it arises as an image, or it could arise as a sound, or as a word, or even a few words. And once it feels like, it rises up in you, then you actually allow yourself to really feel it. How does it feel in your body? What are you noticing? And anchor it in your body in that state of feeling. And then as you go about your task, as you go throughout your day, that intention will be with you. And especially when you meet any challenges, you can reconnect with it. And it will help you approach these challenges much differently than you would if you hadn't set an intention. So very, very powerful. And I really recommend that you make it a habit, that you do that daily. And again, I talk more about how to actually make it a daily practice on my blog. So hop on my blog, get more information, and start setting intentions. It will make your journey to career clarity so much more fun and so much smoother and faster. So really take that to heart and start setting intentions on a daily basis.